Hello everyone and welcome to the last episode of AllthingsIDA. AllthingsIDA is no more. I changed the name to Binary Wizards, and the idea is to widen the topics that I talk about. So that gives me the freedom to talk about Binary Ninja, Ghidra, open source projects, security, AI, and other topics beyond just IDA. Of course, I'll still be talking about IDA, but it's not gonna be the central focus going forward. This will be the last video on this channel, and after that, I advise you to subscribe to the new channel, Binary-Wizards on YouTube. And the All Things IDA Twitter handle has been renamed to Binary Wizards. So if you've been following me, nothing changed from your perspective except just the name. And in the future, if you're interested in claiming the AllthingsIDA YouTube channel or the GitHub repo, the name over there, and take over the brand, feel free to contact me. All right, so thank you for being a supporter for the past 3 years and more, and I hope to see you on the new channel with new topics and broadened topics. Thank you. Until next time.